In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or add guests to your Google Calendar appointments. This is a simple process and can make managing your events much easier. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by going to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser, heading over to the Google homepage, and selecting the calendar from the Google Apps menu, those 9 little dots in a square in the upper right corner. Or you can simply type calendar.google.com in your address bar. Once you're there, you'll see all your scheduled events laid out in front of you. Now, let's move on to interacting with a specific event. Navigate through your calendar until you find the event you're interested in. Remember, we're focusing on events you've already created. When you spot the event, simply click on it. After clicking the event, look for the little pencil icon. This icon is labeled with Edit when you hover over it. Go ahead and click it to open up all the details of your event. This editing mode is where all the magic happens, where you'll manage your guest list. Adding a guest is straightforward. When you're in edit mode, locate the section labeled Guests. In the box provided, type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. As soon as you've entered the email, it should appear in a drop-down menu. Click on it to select and add this person to your event. Now, let's say a change of plans means you need to remove someone from the guest list. No problem. Find the guest email address under the Guests section. Hover your mouse over the email address, and you'll notice a small X icon pops up next to it. Clicking this X will remove the guest from the event. Occasionally there might be situations where you might want to invite a guest but don't necessarily require their attendance. In such cases, Google Calendar allows you to mark a guest as optional. To do this, simply find their name in the guest list while in edit mode, and you'll see the option to mark them as optional. It's a neat feature that helps communicate that their presence, while welcomed, isn't absolutely necessary. Once you've made all your desired changes, whether it's adding, removing, or marking guests optional, it's crucial to remember the final step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button, usually in the upper right corner of the event window. Just click it and all your adjustments will be updated on your calendar. And that's it! You've now successfully managed your Google Calendar guest list, making coordination for your events as effortless as a few clicks. Remember to check back for more tutorials on enhancing your digital productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy planning.